don't know if you guys have had any issues with these Keystone radios. I've heard some that have. Let me tell you, they're wired incorrectly from the factory. They have taken the negatives for one set of speakers and ran them to one channel, and the positive to the two speakers and ran to another channel. That doesn't work. And let me tell you, this was bought brand new. I took it back to the dealer who looked at it and says, nothing we could do, we couldn't figure anything out. If you find a good technician that can work on your stuff, hold on to them forever, because every single thing that they've done, and this is, I've heard from multiple places, not this dealer, not that, all dealers, I've yet to see anyone tell me, oh yeah, I found a really good technician, he did a great job. No. This is a very basic thing. Positive goes to positive, negative goes to negative. I don't know how else to say it. Somebody did this one really wrong. So if you have this issue where your stereo sounds like crap, you can barely hear it until you change your fader. So if you change your left to right and you just take it one click off the middle, all of a sudden all the sound comes on. It's wired in wrong. Right here, so I've got no volume. Now I have volume. I have volume. But on a zero balance, I get zero volume. Or almost zero. This is your typical RV stuff, I guess. I'm gonna look it up, see if I can find this iRV Technologies wiring. Okay, so here we go. Zone 2, green, left positive, black, left negative on zone 2, purple, zone 2 right, and of course purple and black, zone 2 right negative. White, zone 1 left positive, white and black, zone 1 left negative, gray, zone 1 right, gray and black, zone 1 right negative. That's how this thing's wired up. I found it, so download that image and I'll be able to put that in there. Great thing, great thing, great thing. Okay, I'm gonna pull these apart. I'm gonna solder everything and put a little heat shrink on it, do it right, and we'll see if maybe we got a better sound. Gray is gonna be my positive, gray and black will be my negative. So the black tracer will be my negatives, because that's what they're supposed to be. Sorry I didn't get the best footage of this, because I was kind of into it whenever I decided, let me film this, because maybe somebody else had this problem. So if you ever had the problem, comment below and I'll give you any information that you need or you may want to help you out. So hit me in the comments, I'll be glad to get back to you. This is the plug that I had to rewire right here. I'm gonna leave my power the way it is, they're crimp on, whatever's. But these pairs, this yellow and black go to the outside zone. The red and black go to the inside zone. Now, when I unhooked them, I found which one was left and right. Outside I didn't, I guessed at it. I think I got them right. I took the ones that were on the positive and made that left and right. But there they are now. Now they're actually correct. Each set is with its own color. Gray and white up front, purple and green in the back. We can plug this stereo back in and hopefully this thing works. So let's get it going here. Just get us an antenna and some power. Holy crap, listen to that. I already got it. Yep, all seems to be working well. See if I can find something with some sound.
28. Miss Trang is another one of those prime age workers we've been talking about. She studied both English and Chinese at university.
In this part, I communicate with my customer because my customer is from US, Australia, and some from Europe also. And for the Chinese, I using for my material sourcing. Yeah.
Sorry, material sourcing. So
totally different. Again, I've heard other people had this issue. If you've had it, this is what you need to do. There's nothing wrong with the stereo. There's nothing wrong with your speakers. It's right here. It's just wired wrong from the factory. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, stick around. Remember, we got some big stuff coming up. We got some reality TV on YouTube. Real reality, not just fake reality, edited by somebody else. It's shit that morons like me filmed and morons like me edited, maybe. I don't know. If I can find a good editor, who knows.